This is a complex question. The UF tariffs, the threat of tariffs, and everything to go along with that have had undoubtedly a big effect on our economy. But the reality is, it's not a direct enough link to say how something that Donald Trump and the United States are doing with their tariffs will affect our mortgage investments in Ontario. There's a couple reasons for that. There's really positive and negative forces that are coming from this. And they kind of work in opposite directions. So to list a few, as I've seen in the past month or two, these tariffs have led to heightened uncertainty about the market. However, they've also led to lowering of interest rates. Lower interest rates, generally good for housing and generally good for lenders, especially when we're lending at higher rates. So your spread on what you could make at a GIC is increased. On the flip side, tariffs could be bad for the economy. Being bad for the economy, Canadian economy, that could impact the financial health of our borrowers and could lead to an increase in defaults. But the flip to that flip is that a bad economy might actually see better borrowers in need of private loans that have never needed them before. We might have people that have had fantastic credit, fantastic payment history, never missed a payment with their bank, have always been bank clients, but for the first time in their life, their job at the auto plant is getting less hours or laid off. If something has happened in their life as a result of these tariffs and economic realities of what's going on right now, that is taking somebody who's never thought they would need a private mortgage to come to us for the first time. Although this person's in a difficult situation, this represents a better borrower than we have traditionally lent to. So as you can see, it's not as simple as saying what happens over here will affect this over there. What it is a combination of forces that we've continued to evaluate and adjusting our underwriting based on what we're seeing on a day-to-day basis.